Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of Diving Trading. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're looking at a double whammy favourite of mine, as you may already well know, is CLIS, Clickstream, and ticker symbol ALPP, which is Alpine 4 Holdings. I put them both together because I think they're probably my two favourite volatile, dangerous stocks that I have in my portfolio, and I'm hoping that we can get a lot of gains in the near future, and also in the long term as well. So these are two sort of long term holds, should we say? Okay, so we have a look at the market today. Today's April, we're 1st of April, and it's good. We've started off well. Historically, April is a good month for the stock market, and it's good that we've set off on a nice green side, because we've had lots of reds recently, and so good. It's good to see that we're starting to get into the green a little bit, little by little. So good. So let's go in and have a look at the news first of all. Let's cover Alpine 4 Holdings first. So the first one is one of the subsidiaries, which is a QCA, or Quality Circuit Assembly, estimates record revenue for the first quarter of 2021 and $2 million in book business for April 2021. Okay, so this is good news. So this is nice to see. So they actually estimate a revenue in excess of 1.3 million for the month March. Okay, so this is good. This is good to see how the company is progressing. This gives a lot of confidence or reassurance for the shareholders to see how their holdings company or the subsidiaries are growing the way that we want to see it, right? And that's what investor likes to see. So yeah, so steady orders from leading edge EV companies, advanced robotics and environmental tech companies were responsible for driving first quarter growth. Okay, so this is good. This is actually one of the exciting subsidiaries, and I really see this being as one of their strong legs, should we say, one of their strong legs in the holdings company. So it's good. It's exciting to see some news about QCA. Next one is this one. Excel Fabrication was awarded 1.3 million in new contracts. Okay, so this was actually today in March to close out the first quarter of 2021. Okay, so good. These new projects in the state of Oregon and Washington are for clients in the food processing industry, a major discount retailer, and a state government agency, to name a few. This new work has led to the company hiring in several areas to fulfill the exponential growth currently being experienced. Excel receives its general contractor's license in the state of Washington, making this 4 of the 8 targeted states so far. The company believes it will benefit from an insurgence of American-made, built and maintained. Okay, so good. So I'm sure a lot of you have been taking advantages of these real low or red days that we've had recently. We've had prices right down to below the $3 mark. I'm not sure if actually we got near to, I can't remember actually. Yes, we did. We did actually hit below $3 at some point. Or did we? I can't remember. No, we didn't. So yeah, the lowest it ever went to was actually $3.21. So a lot of people would have been buying here out on the dips. Great to see. So yeah, let's have a look at the price to see where we're going with this. So Alpine, covering from our graph before, still look at these support and resistance levels. Again, the same. We're really paying close attention to these zones, and it seems to be hitting and agreeing with these zones. Now, at the moment, the levels we're at now, we're looking at going towards the support, the resistance level, which is around about $4.50. Okay, so we closed at $4.30 today. So we'll see how it reacts. Okay, if we start to have a look at the 21 exponential moving average, we're actually on top of that, and also it's actually suggesting that it's probably been slightly oversold, so we could see a little bit of a pullback. Okay, we'll see how Monday pans out. Monday will be an interesting day to see how the market continues. So, but let's watch out for these results. If these levels, if we get past this 450 level on Monday, or the start of Monday, this will be a good sign for this stock price. So good. So that's a little bit on Alpine for holdings. Let's have a look at CLIS. So CLIS news. They've surpassed expectations by reaching over 400,000 messages, 100,000 translations, 20,000 likes, and almost 10,000 members during the first 6 weeks of beta soft launch in initial 15 countries. I think we actually covered that on the last video, but anyway, I'm just bringing this back up again because this is interesting news. The latest one is WinQuick. So we haven't really talked a lot about WinQuick recently, but WinQuick seems to be going in the right direction. Again, this one's good. It says it exceeds 25,000 unique users. There's no better time to be working on entertainment apps, said Clickstream CEO Frank Manglogetti. People are craving ways to interact with one another and have access to music, travel, and gaming. Our companies provide a chance to win free money with WinQuick, a fun way to learn and a new language, and the dreams of travel with HeyPal and Nifter. Okay, so Nifter, we still don't have any news on that one. We said on the last video that this is one of their subsidiaries, one of their new apps that they have, should we say, that they've come out with. So we don't have a lot of news on that one at the moment. So actually, if we go in to have a look at their webpage, it comes up with this. Okay, so it says that it's not loading. I don't know. This is something I've been having recently. So we'll see. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know if it's everyone has this problem, but I haven't been able to get into the website. So let me know the link. Let me know in the description down below, guys. Have you been able to get into Nifter, or is it just a problem that I've been having? Well, anyway, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the price. Let's have a look at price. So yeah. Now we have a look at pricing. Pricing is actually quite disappointing. There is, I'm not going to say manipulation because I don't want to start accusing have any problems, but it is pretty ridiculous how on Trading 212 we can still not do anything but sell this stock. This has gone on for weeks and weeks now, and it's getting pretty ridiculous, and it's quite frustrating actually, because when you have a look at these volumes, have a look at these prices rather, but coming back down to these levels, this is great levels for averaging in, but you can't average, you can't buy anymore, you can only sell, which is I'm not too happy about, to be honest with you, but that's on another forum. I won't talk about this here. But anyway, having a look at pricing, it's been consolidating. We're actually quite down to these levels. Actually quite down. We're up down. Well, we came down to these levels, which we said that were the support. So it's hit support levels and it's bouncing back up again. And so yeah, we have a green candle here, which is good. So we could have an uptrend here. So we've actually got the W here, a slight double. So we could have an uptrend here, which could be quite exciting for next week. So let's keep an eye on this for next week. Let's look out for the catalyst. I'm just a bit disappointed about the prices. I would have imagined that the prices would have been a bit higher. I would imagine they would have stayed up at these levels that we saw the other day when Nifter was announced, which is around about 33 cents. But unfortunately, again, a lot of manipulation from my point of view in the market, and they've been sold off, and that's the way it is. So yeah, so we'll see how this pans out during the next week as well. So guys, that's the update on both of these companies. I hope to be doing more updates in the near future if we see good news. Hopefully the next video I do make is actually on uplisting of the Nasdaq for ALPP. That would be really good. So yeah, we're expecting that anytime soon. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Are you into CLIS? Are you into ALPP? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear that. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That really helps my channel grow. And also hit that like button. That really helps my channel, helps the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate that. Guys, thank you very much for your patience. Have a great evening and speak to you soon. Bye-bye now.